30 amazing multiple choice questions about snakes. Question 1. Snakes belong to which class of animals? A. Amphibia. B. Mammalia. C. Reptilia. D. Aves. Answer, C. Question 2. Which part of a snake's body is covered with scales? A. Only head. B. Only belly. C. Whole body. D. Only tail. Answer, C. Question 3. Which organ do snakes use to smell the air? A. Nose. B. Tongue. C. Ears. D. Eyes. Answer, B. Question 4. What is the Jacobson's organ in snakes responsible for? A. Sight. B. Hearing. C. Smell detection. D. Digestion. Answer, C. Question 5. Which of these snakes is the longest in the world? A. Green anaconda. B. Reticulated python. C. King cobra. D. Boa constrictor. Answer, B. Question 6. The king cobra primarily feeds on A. Frogs. B. Birds. C. Other snakes. D. Fish. Answer, C. Question 7. Snakes shed their skin through a process called A. Molting. B. Hibernation. C. Photosynthesis. D. Regeneration. Answer, A. Question 8. Which snake is the heaviest in the world? A. Reticulated python. B. Green anaconda. C. Burmese python. D. African rock python. Answer, B. Question 9. Which continent has no native snakes? A. Africa. B. Antarctica. C. Asia. D. Australia. Answer, B. Question 10. The inland taipan is known for being A. The largest snake. B. The fastest snake. C. The most venomous snake. D. The most colorful snake. Answer, C. Question 11. What do snakes lack that most other reptiles have? A. Ears. B. Limbs. C. Scales. D. Tongues. Answer, B. Question 12. How do most snakes kill their prey? A. By chewing. B. By injecting venom or constriction. C. By swallowing plants. D. By drowning prey. Answer, B. Question 13. Which snake is capable of spitting venom to defend itself? A. Rattlesnake. B. Spitting cobra. C. Viper. D. Python. Answer, B. Question 14. Which snake produces a rattling sound with its tail? A. Cobra. B. Viper. C. Rattlesnake. D. Mamba. Answer, C. Question 15. What is the main diet of a python? A. Fruits. B. Insects. C. Large mammals and birds. D. Leaves. Answer, C. Question 16. The black mamba is famous for being A. The slowest snake. B. The fastest snake. C. The smallest snake. D. Non-venomous. Answer, B. Question 17. Baby snakes that hatch from eggs are called A. Larvae. B. Hatchlings. C. Nymphs. D. Cubs. Answer, B. Question 18. Which snake is worshipped in some cultures in India? A. Python. B. Cobra. C. Boa. D. Viper. Answer, B. Question 19. What do snakes mainly rely on to detect vibrations in the ground? A. Their tails. B. Their jaws. C. Their scales. D. Their tongue. Answer, B. Question 20. Which snake is non-venomous? A. Cobra. B. Python. C. Viper. D. Mamba. Answer, B. Question 21. How do sea snakes breathe? A. Through gills. B. Through their skin. C. By holding air in lungs. D. Through fins. Answer, C. Question 22. Snakes are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature depends on A. Blood pressure. B. External environment. C. Amount of food eaten. D. Speed of movement. Answer, B. Question 23. Which snake is considered sacred in ancient Egyptian mythology? A. Asp. B. Boa. C. Python. D. Cobra. Answer, A. Question 24. Which snake has heat-sensing pits to detect warm-blooded prey? A. King cobra. B. Python. C. Rattlesnake. D. Both B and C. Answer, D. Question 25. The primary way snakes move is by A. Hopping. B. Gliding with wings. C. Slithering. D. Crawling with legs. Answer, C. Question 26. Which snake is the national reptile of India? A. Indian cobra. B. Python. C. Viper. D. Kite. Answer, A. Question 27. How do most snakes swallow prey? A. Bite it into pieces. B. Use claws. C. Swallow whole. D. Suck juices. Answer, C. Question 28. Which of the following snakes is highly adapted to desert life? A. Sidewinder. B. Anaconda. C. Sea snake. D. Boa. Answer, A. Question 29. The hood of a cobra is formed by A. Expanded ribs and skin. B. Extra muscles. C. Special scales. D. Extra bones. Answer, A. Question 30. Which snake has the ability to glide or fly between trees? A. Flying snake. B. Tree boa. C. Vine snake. D. Mamba. Answer, A.